Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing guys how you can change your in-app icon and also like the theme of your Discord app. So this is again for Nitro users only. I don't have it, but I'm just going to show you in case you wanna do it. Select user settings and then select appearance. To select the theme, just like select any theme you want and just press apply if you have Nitro. Then to select the in-app icon, there's going to be this. I'm just going to select preview app icon, and it's the one at the top here. As you can see, it's very cute. This is like the normal one that we have, but we can now select it from here. Oh gosh, that's adorable. But yeah, that is it. You're just going to again select OK, but I don't have Nitro, so that's fine. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the links button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!